Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to this is my first unboxing. In this video, we'll be unboxing the OnePlus 8T that I recently just got today. So I have Daddy Danny with me to help me out, also known as Epic Dan. I'm sorry if you can't see correctly. I don't know how to do this because this is my first video. So I apologize for the angles, but let's get right into it. And then here we have the actual thing. And now for a little bit of satisfactory, what's it called? Peeling. This is the actual phone itself. That's what it looks like. Yeah. This is the charging port. Elongated charger. I don't know if you can see that correctly. So far, that's all we got. Let me put this right here. If you guys can see it correctly. This is the SIM card and stuff. Put that away. OnePlus 8T, never settle. Just the stickers for the background, but that's about it. Oh, we have a big ass charger. Let's get a feel of it. WAP charger 65. Is that everything? It seems that's all. Alright. Now we have everything situated. Look at the phone. ASMR. The clear display. Yeah, and that's the phone. That's about it. And then we'll undo the chart on the, what's this thing called? The case.
That's my type of hit. That's my type of fit. That's my type of drip. Yeah, I'm out here getting rich. That's my type of woman. That's my type
Pretty
of
a nice little fit, if I do say so myself. Followed by the vision guard. Let's check this one out. This is my first unboxing video, so it is kind of rough. I ask that you bear with me. I'll get the hang of it, and hopefully that will. I'm sorry, my phone fell. Okay. Back to this situation. So can you stay still if I do it? Bro, y'all might have to cut a few clips. I'm not showing that shit. It's not staying pretty. Okay. That's press it a little bit. ultra clear, ultra vision guard. I don't know if y'all see that. The wipes. Alright, that's about it for that one. We'll give you a final preview of what it looks like. The second situated. Bring the case towards each other. And that's it. I don't know if it's clear enough, but that's the case, the box, the phone itself, the chargers, and the vision guard. Yeah.